Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into an ancient remedy that's small in size but powerful in benefits: cloves. Especially after age 50, adding just 2 cloves daily could be a game changer for your health. Cloves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support many aspects of our health as we age. But what exactly happens when you start taking 2 cloves every day? Let's find out. First, cloves have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, a common complaint after 50. The compound eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever, giving you more mobility and less discomfort. Second, taking 2 cloves daily can improve digestion. Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, which can ease issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Better digestion means you're absorbing nutrients more effectively, which is essential as you get older. Cloves are also beneficial for heart health. They help regulate blood sugar and improve circulation, which are both critical after 50. The antioxidants in cloves can reduce oxidative stress, lowering the risk of heart disease. Cloves have antimicrobial properties, which strengthen your immune system. This can be especially helpful as our immune responses weaken with age. Regular intake of cloves can help you fend off colds, infections, and boost your overall resilience. Finally, cloves assist in maintaining a healthy liver by helping detoxify the body. Cloves contain compounds that protect the liver from oxidative stress, ensuring that it functions effectively as you age. Taking just 2 cloves daily can lead to big improvements in your health, especially after 50. It's a simple habit that can make a significant difference. Try it out and let us know how you feel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.